Okay, so get your finger on the trigger, and as soon as it pops, okay, push. Yeah, 2 seconds. You don't have to be right away. Ready? Yep. Hey, welcome to the first Flare Court Media Whatever Wednesday video. I'm Jason, and I know what you're thinking right now. Jason, what's a Whatever Wednesday video? How do I know that? It's because I'm psychic. Actually, I'm not. I just need a way to progress the narrative of explaining what a Whatever Wednesday video is. Whatever Wednesday video is whatever I want. So you know, every Friday or Saturday if I'm a day late, I release a content creator focused video. So that's going to be a tutorial, a product review, something that content creators are going to find interesting to help them make something cool or make informed decisions on what they should buy. However, Wednesdays I'm going to reserve for me, and that's where I get to show you the content I created. So it's going to be the travel vlogs, the camping videos, whatever. For this first episode, I decided to finally look at the Sony ZV-1 camera, specifically its slow motion features. Now it has 240, 480, or 960 frames per second. And you can record at the high quality at about 1.8 seconds and at the standard quality about 3.2 seconds. So there's not a whole lot of time to play with, but it wasn't enough time for me to point it at some fireworks during the 4th of July celebration just this past weekend. And so at the end of the video, there's a cool montage set to the US Army Band playing the 1812 Overture, because if you're going to show fireworks, you have to play the Overture. But before that, I went out and channeled my inner slow-mo guys and dropped some water balloons on my head with my friend Jared. So if you enjoy seeing slow motion, this is the video for you. Before we see that, just one more reminder. As I said, each week I release a new content creator focused video. So if you want to see those, subscribe. And then if you want to keep seeing these whatever videos, subscribe for that too. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let's get to the slow-mo. Okay, so get your finger on the trigger, and as soon as it pops, okay, push. Yeah, 2 seconds. You don't have to be right away. Ready? Yep.
Were you recording with
Yeah.
this? There you go. How many frames is this?
This is 960, almost 1,000. God, that's slow. We should be able to see the balloon, the shape of the water hover there.
God, I think I got it. And when it was popped,
Should I do the big one?
might as well try. Go big or go home. Is it gonna hold?
I can't even.
I'm afraid it's not gonna hold.
Do you think that would look dumb or not? Like, do you think you'd still be able to see
I mean, I guess we can.
There, yeah, like that.
Then yeah. Okay, keep. Like.
1, 2, 3. I missed. I'm scared of water. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wait for it. Damn it. Push the button. Alright, ready?
Yep.
1, 2. 1, 2, 3.
Open. I can't believe you didn't want to pop.
I was also scared as crap.
Now you need to figure out what that's called, being scared of a simple thing. Get on the return. I don't remember.
No, it took me 3 tries. There it goes. Oh, I smashed it so hard I disrupted the shape of the water.
Well,
A lot can happen in 2 seconds.
it's all right.
Yeah, look at that.
Nice.
Perfect.